Today we have a question from Logarithm for ACT Math. So let us go ahead and we'll see how we can solve this problem. Before we get into the problem anyway, we'll first see how to apply log in any question and how to convert any logarithm given in the exponent form. So if I have log A base B, which is equals to C, it can be written in the form as B being the base, we say that B is raised to the power C to get A. This is the simple exponent form which we'll be applying in the given question. As we have log base 3, 2x minus 1, which is equals to 2. And now writing this in the same exact form, B as the base, so we have the base value as 3, 3 raised to the power 2, the value of C is 2, and that is equals to A, which is 2x minus 1. It's a very simple question. Now we can write 3 square as 9, which is equals to 2x minus 1. Further, we can solve it as 2x is equals to 9 plus 1. 2x is 10. And we get the value of x as 5. So the correct answer here is option D. Thank you.